This is my friend Squirrel. He comes to visit every day and sneaks up on my deck and looks at me, and he knows I read his mind. He wants peanuts. He's such a cutie pie. He's really enjoying those peanuts. One time he got so brazen, he jumped through a small hole in the screen of my window and got stuck. And I had to cut him out because I was afraid he'd bite me. But I got him out, and all was well. He does enjoy those squirrels, and I like feeding him. Fortunately, I have a squirrel-proof bird feeder. So even though he tries with all kinds of antics to get into it, he just can't. I think nature is wonderful. I sit out here all the time. Right now I'm just having a little glass of wine and some avocado potato chips. And there's little squirrels nuts. He probably thinks I'm nuts. But anyway, I don't mind. We have fun together here in the natural world. I hope you enjoyed seeing Squirrel as much as I do. You take care. Love ya.